Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to left to video. Here we are. Now let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about video we can manage. From here let's move to left and tap to settings to open them. Now in the video mode we have video settings at the first position with image stabilization at the second place, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here in this device we have also one extra way to stabilize our video better. Let's move back to video preview and tap to second from the left button on the settings bar, so we can turn on steady video recording, another tap to turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.